Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Spectrum TV app not showing all channels. So here are a few fixes for your subscription and filter. Fix 1. Change your guide filter settings. Launch the Spectrum TV app on your television, smartphone, or streaming box. Press the menu or back button on your remote control to open the primary navigation sidebar. Select the Guide tab to load the active television channel grid layout. Scroll to the very top of the channel listings or navigation bar and click on the filter or category option. Uncheck limited filters like favorites, HD, or movies, and switch the master toggle back to all channels. Fix 2. Sync to your primary Spectrum home internet network. Open your streaming device and television system settings menu panel. Navigate to the network or Wi-Fi configuration hub. Verify that your hardware is connected directly to your primary Spectrum home internet router. Disconnect from any third-party networks, cellular hotspot, or commercial VPN data streams. Fix 3. Force close and clear the app cache memory. Access the settings or system control panel of your specific streaming hardware framework. Scroll through the menu options to select apps, applications, or manage installed apps. Highlight the Spectrum TV icon from your active device list. Click the Force Stop or Force Close button to enter the frozen data loop. Select Clear Cache to wipe corrupted profile tracking files, then clean before relaunching the app. Fix 4. Update your device location services permission. Open the system settings on your mobile phone, tablet, or smart television box. Scroll down to find your privacy and security or location services management tab. Locate the Spectrum TV application icon from your device permissions list. Toggle the location access button to on or change the status to while using the app. Ensure local location tracking is allowed so the app can verify your physical zip code coordinates and unlock your matching regional broadcast channels. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.